Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am starting with this Benefit primer just to get my face all primed up and ready. I'm also extending this down to my neck and chest since I'll be doing makeup there as well. I'm using my NARS foundation for this look and just applying that from my face down to my chest. And using this Morphe concealer, I'm going to cover any darkness under the eyes and also use it to highlight my chin, my nose, my cupid's bow, under my contour line, and my forehead. Then I'm going in with this cream contour from Fenty Beauty and contouring my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead, and my nose. I'm also taking my concealer just underneath the contour line to make sure that it's clean. And now I'm going in with a powder, bronzer, and I'm just going over every place that I cream contoured, just to kind of set everything and intensify it a little bit more. And now using a clear brow gel, I'm just going to brush up my eyebrows and then fill them in with a pencil. I'm also going to clean up the lines with a concealer just to make sure it's sharp, and then I'm going to go in with an eyebrow pen just to intensify and add some dimension to it. So going in with this palette, I'm just going to take this warm brown shade and put that all over the eyelid and make sure it's in the crease, and also put this on the lower lash line as well. taking this darker brown shade, I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid as kind of a base for the darker colors that are gonna go on. And I'm also going to kind of wing it out and then connect it into like a full cut crease sort of thing, if that makes sense, but you guys will see in a second. So now I'm taking this NYX crayon in the shade black, and I'm just going over all of it, and I'm gonna smudge it out with my pencil brush. And I'm also going to put this really orange color on my lower lash line. I just thought it looked kind of dope, so. And I'm just lining my waterline, and also I will do a little bit of a wing with a liquid eyeliner, and then just pop on some mascara. So now I am just taking that taupe color and extending it to my hairline, which looks kind of crazy, but once I blend it out, it looks really cool. And I am just lining my lips really quick, just the top lip, just to kind of overline it, give it some more plumpness. And then I'm putting on a red lipstick over top of it. So now getting into the gore side of things, I am taking my concealer and I'm just patting that down. This will make the skin look kind of raised because it's so light. And so now I'm just taking my eyebrow pencil and kind of sketching out where I want the line and how long. And this kind of just helps me to make it like an even line. And now I'm just gonna start to put a red shade down, going from like a warm pink all the way to a really, really dark red, and you'll just see how the layers really make it look real. Also going from thicker to thinner, so the darkest red is gonna be very, very thin. And also one thing to note is I think having the line a little bit jagged helps it to look more natural. So don't worry about having a straight line. I'm also gonna add a little bit of that first warm pink shade underneath and right above the line. This just makes it look irritated, like the skin around the cut is really irritated. So I think this makes it look really realistic as well. And then after this step, you'll see I'm gonna take the concealer and add a little bit of that around this line because that'll just like intensify the look of it being raised. So I got these little blood droplets from Walmart and I literally don't know what I was expecting. I was so surprised that it was just dripping down my face, which is ridiculous that I was surprised by that. So I honestly do like how it looked in the end, and I kind of just added some more. For the scrapes, I'm taking this like spongy brush and I'm just dipping it into some red lipstick and just literally running it across, and it makes it look really realistic. I really like this. You can get these in like any Halloween kit. So now I just wanted to add some more red to the blood dripping, and I think it turned out super cool. I look so beat up and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and subscribe if you liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.